New pendant light fixtures has 2 transparent/clear wires and 1 bare/copper wire. House electric box has black, white and red wires. Old fixture I just removed had black and white wires. I think the white in the old fixture was connected to white in the house box and the black in the old fixture was connected to the red in the house box, but I don't completely remember. How do I connect the new fixture to the house box? Sure what you mean by ribs. Just looks like a bunch of mini wires twisted together. Here are 2 silver wires in a transparent/clear casing and 1 bare copper wire which is tagged as the ground wire in the instruction manual. All 3 wires. And not sure what you mean by ribs. Just looks like a bunch of mini wires twisted together. Here are 2 silver wires in a transparent/clear casing and 1 bare copper wire which is tagged as the ground wire in the instruction manual.
Okay, if you look very closely at the 2 clear wires, one of them may have ridges that run the length of the wire. Sometimes, they are very hard to see. If both clear-coated wires are completely smooth, you may need to identify them with an ohm meter. Do you have a meter available to you?
Don't have an ohm meter. Both wires are identical. The clear casing is smooth. Instructions don't distinguish between the 2.
Are you able to follow the 2 wires all the way to a bulb socket?
As they both run next to each other all the way to the bulb socket.
If you can follow them to the rivets on the bottom of the socket, the one that is riveted to the center tab is the hot. It would go to black or red. The one that is riveted to the threads is the neutral. It would go to white. As for connecting the hot to the black or red, you may have to use a process of elimination for that connection. Try one and flip the wall switch to check operation. If it doesn't work, switch to the other.
What about the bare/copper wire? Light fixture has a green screw that says ground that I think I'm supposed to wrap it around. But there's no bare wire in the ceiling box to connect it to. That goes to the bare wire that is part of the house wiring. If you have an old 2-wire, no bare copper ground, house system, then you won't connect the fixture ground wire to anything. Okay, you can just connect it to the green screw then.
It's hard to wrap wires from the fixture to the box wire. Do I need to strip them down? IT worked. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.